This video will explain how you can renew any book you have out on a loan on the online catalog. You will need to be on the library website, which looks like this currently. At the center is our OneSearch search box, the access point into our online catalog. Open up Define Your Search, select Books, and then click on the search button. It will take you automatically to OneSearch. Now, look on the upper right side. There should be a link for Sign In. This is how you would get into your library account. Click here, and you will be prompted to enter your CUNY login credentials. You should know your CUNY login credentials. If you're not sure, click on the link here. If you have problems with your password or username, you can also try the links down below. If everything is okay with your CUNY login, you should come back to the search interface for OneSearch, but this time with your name up top. If you open it, you will see that your account is now available for your viewing. You can select either Library Card or My Loans. If you click on Library Card, you will then see a dashboard that shows various tabs. The Overview tab shows a grand view of everything on your account, the different loans, fines and fees, and the requests that you have made. You can also click on specifically the Loans tab. This is where you see all the different books that you have currently out. You can either select the title that you want to renew and then click on Select to Renew. It will show then the new due date on your record. If you select the square on top of everything, it will renew everything on your account. So that's it. That's how you would log into your account and renew items on your account. If you have other questions, just contact us at the reference desk.